everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, and it is a pet hair removal. So let's go ahead and just get right into this. And they did say that they sent me an extra product, which is this right here. Look how cool this is. So if you have a dog or a cat or something and you want to just like brush their hair out, you can actually use this. You can use it on this side or on this side, depending on what you want. This one's got some pokey things right there, and this side is really smooth. So I will be linking where you can actually purchase both of these down in the description box below if you guys are interested. And this is the device itself right here. And as you can see, it has this, it almost feels like a carpet. It says it's electrostatic absorption. And then it says, as you can see, it's open right now. So to close it, you'll just press it down like that, and it locks it to where it will not open. And once you're done, press it again and you can open it up to clean it out. So I think that's really cool. So I actually do have 3 dogs. So let's go ahead and try this out and see how well it works. So this is one of my dogs. And he loves to get his hair brushed out, as you can see, and he is very, very hairy. As you can see, brushing out dogs, you get hair all over you. So I'll be showing you guys how to get it off there, and you can see it just comes off once it's done. He loves getting petted. So this thing works really good for getting the hair off. Look at all that. So I'm gonna have to come out here with the trash bags. I'm getting hair all over my ground. But let's see how well this works to get all this hair off my pants. Watch out, Micah. Okay. So we're gonna roll this. So as you can see, every time I come outside, I get hair all over me when they hit me. You can see it's getting it all up. Micah, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. So as you can see, it got up all those hairs that were on my leg. Pretty much. He keeps hitting me and getting more hair on me. Sorry, I had to put my phone down so that I could see how you get the hair out. So I have not got enough hair actually to get it out yet. So it's all right there, as you can see. That's all the dog hair. So let's see if I can't get some more and show you guys. So as you can see, you can roll this right here, and then you'll flip it this way. And that's where all the hair goes. A lot of it gets like stuck up through here. But once this gets full, it kind of pushes it back into here, and then you'll just grab this out and just throw it. So it makes it a lot easier to clean up. And as you can see, my dog needs a bath because that is dirty, but they are outside dogs. These 2 are, so they do get a little more dirty. So the good thing about this is you can throw it in the washer to wash it, and you shouldn't have any issues with that. Yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.